Yo, what's up? Happy Easter to all Jewish people who celebrate today. And today we are in somewhere in actually 20 minutes outside the Sanur. It's called Komune Beach Club and Hotel. So it's like a black sand beach, but close to the Sanur place, restaurant, bar. And it's also Australian owned. They have the same company in
Gold Coast, Australia.
Gold
so
Coast,
they
Australia.
also have a commune hotel in Gold Coast, they said. So this one is the commune in Bali.
So we will chill a little bit around, and we will of course show you how it looks over here. Comment below if you know this place. Also, we make a vlog here once.
Yeah, I think that long time ago we
But very
made
long time ago.
one vlog here in the commune. And then yes, commune in Keramas beach is also famous for the night surfing. So we will
Oh yeah, night surfing. I forgot about that. Okay, see you there.
in the beach.
Yo, what's up?
Yo.
It's very tropical place.
Yeah, as you see, that everywhere is here is green. So they said one in the Gold Coast, and also here in Bali is with the tropical vibe. You see surroundings green. So yeah, that's it.
So this is how it looks, the place. Swimming pool, surfers. So nice, so beautiful. Today so many people because of the Easter, so kids, family day around. I will show you how it looks live here. So basically it's hotel and the beach club and bar and restaurant at the same time, as you see. I fly drone a little bit also, so you will see how it's the in general how it looks over here. Yeah, it's very nice place. When we make a vlog last time, somebody said that this one looks much better than this one in Australia. However, the owner is the same. Beautiful palm trees. Very nice place. Here's the bar and the bridge and the hotel, obviously it's somewhere there, but the garden and the area of the club is so nice. And over there is the Mount Agung you also saw on the drone. So nice, so cool. So as you can see, very cool, peaceful place, nice place for chilling and enjoying our Sunday Easter, I think. And that's the beach, it's the black sand beach. Yeah, I'll show you around.
Never thought I'd be so far from home. Never thought our love could grow so cold. Never thought we had to run through burning fire. Never thought I had to miss you and I. Life changes as we know it. You do what you can, you just get through it. It's a mystery how people can get by on as little love as you and I. Never thought I'd be so far from home. Never thought our love could grow so cold. Never thought we had to run through burning fire. Never thought I had to miss you and I tried to stay until outgrow it. As time changes people, we both know this. It's a change of season when the tide comes rolling in, and you realize there's nothing there to begin.
So as you can see, swimming pool, beach, black sand beach, surfers over here. Very nice. That's over there is Nusa Penida, Nusa Lembonan Islands. Very nice indeed. And also over here is the bar, restaurant. Really like the palm trees here and the ocean view, you know. And also view if it's super cool sky like today. It's like this, really nice. Also, as you can see over here, the prices are quite affordable, I have to say, for the prices for the places like this. Maybe not the cheapest, but definitely cheaper than in Australia anyway. Over here where I used to play fly drone, this is the night surfing. You can chill here, there are the lights, so you can surf at night. That's why this hotel is so famous over here. And yeah, in general it's very cool vibe here. Also guys, this is not any kind of paid endorsement, please. I don't know the owner doesn't know me. I don't know any management. We just spending our Easter here. We're not staying in the hotel. This is actually, you can come to the beach club and enjoy, which is actually super cool. You don't need to pay any entrance fee. Yeah, this is our recommendation if you would like to chill somewhere in the vibes like this, just 20-30 minutes from Sanur going to the east. But please, that's not any kind of endorsement. So that's how it looks, Sunday, Easter Sunday in Bali.
Yeah, so I was so relaxing. I just want to have a me time for a few minutes so Damian show you around.
By the way, it was so hot. The truth is, it was so hot and she was like... Anyway, I'm so sweaty right now, but we are enjoying the walk on the beach. I'll show you, change the position of the camera. Yeah, that's our faces only. So there is the place where we was, and now is the beach. As you can see also here, quite many people chilling. Beautiful weather today. It's really amazing weather, I have to say. And over there is beautiful Mount Agung. I will zoom a little bit for you. So nice. People chilling around, as you can see. Also, they are the surfers over there. I tried to fly drone over them, but was not much luck. But yeah, so cool, so cool. Really cool. Can you hear the peaceful sound of the ocean? And everywhere around, as you saw on my drone shots, they are just beautiful rice fields. Very nice place. People chilling. Their kids swimming. Honey, we have to trespass the river, honey.
It's very...
Okay, I wanna see how you trespassing, no? No? Okay. Let's move back, yeah?
Yeah. Beautiful sunset gonna be soon.
We'll be over here. It's a little bit hidden, but we'll be there. So nice vibes.
like waiting anymore. The night is closing in, I'm bleeding through my skin, but I won't run away this time for sure.
Check the surfer struggle. Maybe next time. Also the plane over there. Guys, comment below what do you think. Can you come this year to Bali?
I think so.
You think so? Yes? No? Comment below. As you can see, people chilling also. I mean the local people. Basically, actually, it's mostly local people here. Oh, look at this doggo. Chilling around with the owner. Very nice. And here, kids. So over there is Sanur, and somewhere there, as you can see, maybe where is my finger, is GWK statue. So it's really not so far from the Sanur if you think about that. Check this out, the water, so cool. Yo, what's up, doggo? Chilling? Not so bad place for chilling, I think. Another doggo, some people walking. Surfers, that with sun, so nice. They also have a bridge here. It's sunset time. Nice colors, really nice. Very nice nature and peaceful. Alright, it's beautiful actually, golden hour. It's so hot. We decided to gonna have some dinner, like a street food fish.
Yes, we think that we want to have a grilled fish or something. So just next door in Pantai Lebih. So
Yeah, not so far, and see you there. Like this, the alley of bananas, sayang, and the nature, and the beautiful snaps of sun. So we arrived to the place where is the street food.
So this is called Pantai Lebih, just 5 minutes from Komune Beach Club.
Just 5 minutes from the place, and there are so many fishermen over here. Let's check this out. It's already sunset time. So as you can see, so many fishermen. Oh, nice. Grand job. We arrived to Anwarung, as you can see, so many Balinese prayers here. They have also kind of Easter today. I don't know what's the celebrating today, but is it? And that's how it looks, kitchen.
Alright, our food is here. We have a fish soup and then fried ikan fish.
Smacznego, honey. As you can see, very nice.
Alright, so I think that's all our video today, guys. I just paid around 100k. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.